Model, 2019 Mercedes Vito 114 CDI Pure L1 Cat included bargain. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 213054. MOT, the 8th of August 2024. Engine, 2143 cc ohm 651 136 hpb. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.